Hey, what's up everyone? So in today's video we are gonna talk about what is copywriting and more importantly how you can make money from it. So let's start with the basics. What is copywriting? Simply put, copywriting is the art of using words to persuade people to take action now. So that's the main goal of copywriting, that a person has to perform some action, whether it's buying a product, signing up for a service, or even clicking a link. The main goal is to get people to take the next step. Now you might be wondering how you can earn through copywriting by just writing some words on the doc file, right? Well, there are several ways. Let's start with one of the most popular way, email marketing. Businesses need engaging email sequences that turn subscribers into loyal customers. As a copywriter, you can craft welcome emails, promotional campaigns, or nurture sequences that audiences hooked and ready to buy. So every time someone gets that perfectly written email, it's because a copywriter carefully designed it to lead them to take an action. Next up, we have landing pages, also known as opt-in pages. These are pages that offer something free, like a guide or a cheat sheet, to build trust and collect email addresses from potential customers. The copy on these pages has one clear goal, to convince visitors to exchange their information for that freebie. So, as a copywriter, you will write short, benefit driven content that leads them step by step to click the button. And if you are not sure how to create a killer opt-in page, check out my quick 4-minute video where I break the 5 essential things that are necessary in an opt-in page. And here come the magic, sales pages. A sales page is designed to convert a visitor into paying customer. The copy you write for a sales page highlight the benefit of a product, addresses customer pain points, and convince them to hit that buy now button. So as a copywriter, it's your job to turn the casual browser into loyal customer. Now let's talk about the fourth way. I'm sure you have seen ads on Facebook, Instagram or YouTube, right? Well, businesses need compelling scripts that grab attention within just a seconds. A few ad script can make a huge impact by hooking the viewer instantly and leading them to take the next step, whether it's clicking a link or buying a product, right? Now, speaking of short term content, let's not forget about the reels. Instagram and YouTube are flooded with businesses trying to grab attention in under a minute. So, as a copywriter, you can create 30 to 60-second script that quickly communicate a message, showcase a product, or promote a service in a way that's fun, engaging, and fast paced. Last but not least, we have video sales letter, shortly named as VSLs. This is an advanced type of sales video where the script does all about selling. These can be anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes long. It walks through potential customer through the benefits and build excitement, eventually pushing them to make a purchase. If done right, a VSL can be a powerful sales tool, and as a copywriter, you will be the one crafting the script that make it all happen. In short, copywriting offers multiple revenue streams from email and sales page to ad script and video content. Businesses always need persuasive writing to take their business to the next level. And that's it for today. But if you are a coach, business owner, or just someone who need powerful copywriting services, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more insider secrets like these. See you in the next video. Tada!